What is the difference between surrender and extradition? Except for the spelling, Mr. President. Yes.
What was the...
Ano po yung pagkakaiba, bukod sa spelling, ng extradition at surrender in the context of Republic Act 9851?
surrender or extradition will take different meanings given these three or four different, how do you call it, rules. So rules on extradition proceeding will be, is defined thereat, while the international humanitarian law in terms of surrender under that law will also be defined by the provisions of that law.
I'm sorry, Mr. President, if I will disagree. Yung extradition, mabagal po yun. Yung surrender, mabilis.
Ayaw, di ma.
Kaya po nang ginawa kay dating Pangulong